Hey guys, sorry for not doing an intro, but we're gonna start by priming our face. Yes, I prime my face every time I do my makeup. Make sure you prime your face. It's good for your skin and it'll just make your foundation and your face so much better and healthier. So today I wanted a little extra glow, so I'm gonna put this on before I put my foundation on. Now I'm going in with my new favorite foundation, Up Beauty. Oh my god, this foundation is so amazing. Shout out to Huda because my skin be looking real flawless and photo ready. It's crazy how this foundation looks a little orange, but I promise it's my color. I don't know if I should go into Sephora and try to find a different undertone, but once my makeup is done, this actually really matches me really well, but maybe I'll go try something differently. I just wanted to say that. Now I'm taking my favorite concealer. Y'all already know it's Maybelline. Between them, NARS, and LA Girl, I'm pretty obsessed. Love it. I feel like you guys already know this step already, but it's time to contour your face, girl. Make them cheekbones real snatched and that forehead not so big. And snatch that jawline. Maybe that part is just me, but yeah, go ahead and contour your face, y'all. Contour your face. Contour. Okay, so now it's time to set the under eyes. I believe I used the ColourPop banana powder under my eyes. I just love how flawless this looks with my concealer and foundation. It just sets my whole face perfectly. Shout out to ColourPop for the amazing product. Now I'm dusting off that product with my Sephora smoothing powder. Amazing. It just makes your face so flawless and you have just like an amazing base with this product. I feel like this step is super crucial to me in the makeup process. Spray your face, set your face from all those powders so that you don't walk around looking all ghostly all day. Before you do anything else or put any more product on, go ahead and set your face one time for the one time, sis. Now look how flawless my face is. Amazing, amazing. Now I'm going to go into brows. Go ahead and spoolie out your brows. And I already have a brow tutorial out, so you can watch that. So I'm not going to talk through that part, this part. But just watch it, and I still demonstrate on how I do my brows. Okay, so you guys are no stranger to me using my P. Louise base. Yes, I'm putting P. Louise all over my eyelids, guys. Oh my god, this stuff is so amazing. P. Louise, you guys are geniuses, I tell you, genius. Okay, so I'm taking the light brown color out of the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, and I'm just placing her in my crease for a nice transition color, building her on the outside and moving towards the inside for a beautiful flawless crease. So this step right here is kind of pointless. You never even end up seeing it, but I put yellow above that color. It was done. You don't have to do that. You're never gonna see it, so it's what it is. Okay, so here I'm taking that orange out of the Afrique palette, and I'm absolutely like carving out my whole crease with this color. This is going to be the main color of the whole look, so carve out your whole crease. Take your time, don't rush, and get it to the color that you want it to be and how bright and intensified you. Okay, so I carved out my lid with the P. Louise base. Go ahead and make your lid all pretty and even when it comes to that. So here I'm just going back in with that orange to clean up the edges between that P. Louise base, just so it could be super seamless and beautiful. So just go ahead and clean up around the edges with the color. Okay, so now I'm taking like an orange shimmer color and I'm just putting it in the middle of my eyelid, packing it on. It's super light on camera, but in person it was so pretty, so vibrant, and just so beautiful. Okay, now I'm going in with a lighter shimmer from the Morphe palette and I'm just putting it in the inner corner part just to add like a little 3-color lid, I guess you can call it. And I'm just going back in here and just cleaning up all those edges. Go ahead and do your wing liner. Y'all know a look for me is not complete without wing liner, so I gotta have my wing liner. Guess I'm using the NYX liquid liner. They're my fave. I've tried so many others, but NYX is just the one that gets the job done for me. Going in with Maybelline Big Shot Mascara featuring Shayla. One of my fave mascaras, especially because it's on the cheaper side. So it just gets the job done for me. It's lash time, guys. We always love lash time, right? Oh, these lashes are so beautiful. And I don't really know how to explain how to put a lash on. So you could just watch it and I'll shut up and stop talking. I'm using the ColourPop times Shayla Highlight and Pose. Yes, one of my favorite everyday highlighters. So beautiful, so amazing, and we just love some highlights. Now it's time for final touches, which is inner corner highlight, setting your face, blotting it with a beauty blender, make sure everything is set in and perfect and nice and ready for you to walk out the door and slay, honey. Go ahead and dust a little orange under your lash line and add some mascara and you'll be good to go. I didn't do an outro, guys. Again, I'm really sorry, but I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta!